Hey tech enthusiasts, get ready to dive into the latest buzz from Nothing. Nothing, known for its mysterious teasers, has once again caught our attention with hints of a new product launch. Rumors are swirling about the CMF Phone 1, set to bring some seriously unique features to the table. Recent cryptic messages from Nothing's official X account have sparked speculation about an imminent release. Could it be the highly anticipated Nothing Phone 3, or perhaps something entirely unexpected like the CMF Phone 1? According to leaks and rumors, the CMF Phone 1 could feature a special connector called Nothing Lock, designed for exclusive accessories like support brackets and lanyards. Plus, we've got alleged specs to drool over, including a 6.7-inch OLED display, MediaTek Dimensity 7200 processor, and a whopping 5000 mAh battery with 33W wired charging. While the authenticity of these claims remains uncertain, the excitement surrounding Nothing's upcoming release is palpable. Whether it's the Phone 3 or the CMF Phone 1, one thing's for sure, July could bring some major surprises from Nothing. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for all the latest tech news. Who's excited to see what Nothing has in store for us? Let me know in the comments below.